As a certified social media manager, I decided to, take my A game to the TikTok space to see what I'll be able to figure out. And in 6 months, I was able to grow a new TikTok page to 15,000 followers organically. I did not pay to grow pages. I did not pay any websites. I did not pay anybody. I did not, I just, grow the page organically to over 15,000 followers within the space of 6 months. I was able to achieve that by pushing out content that I know that people will watch. And of course, with consistency, I was able to achieve that. Now, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, the Peaceable Digital. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for always turning up. I love you big. So if you're a new subscriber and you're just coming across my video for the first time, what I basically here is I teach people how to make money online, and I also teach people what have worked for me. So any idea that I know that has worked for me and I know that it will be useful to the large audience, I bring it here on my channel for people to also benefit. So on today's episode of that, I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually monetize your
TikTok account.
First, I'll be teaching you how you can create a foreign
TikTok account
channel. What I mean by foreign
TikTok account,
especially for countries that does not allow creators to partake in the TikTok reward program. What do I mean? That means TikTok has a program where you can, although there are so many channels you can make money on TikTok, but the easiest way, I mean the easiest of it, the one that you can do without you putting so much effort aside from creating content, is via the creators reward program. That means in this regard, you get to post your content, and when you get to 10,000 followers, TikTok will automatically start paying you for people watching your videos. But this particular offer is not available in all countries, especially for people in Nigeria. I'm currently living in Nigeria. It's not available for people in Nigeria and some other countries as well, but it is available for people in the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Japan, South Korea, France, Brazil, Italy, and Spain. That means for you to partake in the creator reward program, you have to be in any of these countries that I have just mentioned. So that brought me to this. So I was able to, like I said, I was able to grow my page to 15,000 followers, and it is monetized. So I want to bring this offer to people. And firstly, so I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually create a foreign account that will enable you to be able to participate in the TikTok Creators Award program. Okay. So if you're not living in the above countries, the countries that I mentioned earlier, that means you cannot partake in the TikTok Creators Award program, right? But there's a way around it. You can actually get a VPN to do that for you. But note, not all VPN, especially the free ones, might not really work for you. So there's a paid version of VPN that I personally use to create a TikTok foreign account, and which actually works for you. I'm going to be showing you the proof. Here is the proof. Here is a TikTok I just created of recent, and as you can see, I'm going to be changing the region, and you can see that the region is stating United States, right? So there's it. And the VPN that I use, I'm going to be mentioning it. I use the VPN called Mysterium VPN. So Mysterium VPN, this particular VPN, is what I actually used to create my UK TikTok account, which I'm going to be monetizing soon. All right, so which is already, the other one is already monetized. This particular one that I just created, I want to grow it within the next few months, and I'm going to be coming back here after some months to show you my progress so far. All right, so if you want to grow this account with me, if you want to have a foreign TikTok account that can actually work for you, first you have to get your Mysterium VPN, and the monthly payment if you're in Nigeria is a minimum of 17,000 naira. So you have to purchase the monthly plan of 17,000 naira only. So when you have successfully purchased that, then you can go ahead and create your UK. You can just change the location to United Kingdom, then you can go ahead and create your UK. Now first, let me walk you through how you can do that.
So the first thing you will need is a new email that you have not used for TikTok registration before. If you don't know how to create a new email, let me quickly walk you through the process of how to do that. So you want to go to your email account, I'll be using Gmail in this case. So you want to scroll down to the bottom of it and you see add new account. Yeah, so you go ahead and click on Google. Go ahead and click on Google and it will take you straight to this page where you have to click on create account, and in this case I'll be putting in my first and last name, then click on next. Then the next thing you want to do is to slot in your date of birth, just like I'll be doing here. And after all this, you want to go ahead and put in your gender. Of course, I'm a female and all of that. So go ahead and click on next and it will take you straight. So as you can see, it has given me options, but I don't need those options. I want to create my own. So I'll be creating an email in regard to my TikTok account so that I can tally, right? So I'll be using this all things craft whatever, and so this is it. So as you can see, it's saying that this email is taken, and I've eventually found one that has not been taken. I go ahead and put in my password, and my Gmail account is successfully created, a new Gmail account. So this is what it is looking like. Okay, so this is what my new account is looking like. So I want to check it to see. So as you can see, that new email account is already created. So the next thing I want to do is to go ahead and log in my VPN. So this is the VPN I'll be using. It is called Mysterium VPN. So I want to ensure that it is on, and the next thing I want to do is to go to Google Chrome and click on TikTok sign up. Just search TikTok sign up. It's going to take me straight up to this page. So here on this page, as you can see, this is what it should look like, right? So you go ahead and click on the sign up for a new account. Go ahead and put in your date of birth, your email that you want to use, and your password. Note that when you are putting in your password, you want to make sure that you put in, like, the first letter must be capital letter. You know how we do that shape? Yeah, so everything must be in aligned to what TikTok wants, just like your normal sign up, right? So you go ahead and you put in all the necessary details, your email, and of course they will send a code to my email. So here is the code. I want to slot it in, and this is what it is going to look like. So the reason why the sign up button is not coming up is because I have not set the password correctly. So I'm supposed to add a character, maybe @ or dot or something. So as you can see, I've added it and it has come up, and this is what we have. This is what it's gonna look like. Okay, so I have clicked on the sign up button and I have created a TikTok account. So you can go ahead and create a username if you like, and if you don't like, you can go ahead and skip it. So let's go ahead and log in. Let's see if I have created a foreign a foreign account rather. Okay, so here is me logging into my TikTok account, and I'm trying to log in via my email, right? So this is what we have. Note, if you are going to be creating a foreign account, you are going to be using email, not phone number. Email, right? Okay, so this is me. I'm trying to get code. I'm trying to get a code that was sent to my email, and I'm waiting. Okay, so I've gotten the code already, and this is what we have. So here is the code, and I've successfully logged in to my new TikTok account. Okay, so let's see. You go to settings, you go to accounts, you go to account information. As you can see, it is carrying UK here, United.
Now here is my offer. Because Mysterium VPN, they will collect 17,000 naira from you if you want to purchase their plan, okay, in order for you to create a foreign TikTok account. So here is my own plan. Now I'm going to be opening an account for you. All you just have to give me is your email, the email that you have not used for TikTok before. if there is a need for you to create a new email for that, you will have to do that. So you are going to be giving me your email, your date of birth. That's the requirement to open a new TikTok account. So your email, the one that you want to use to open the TikTok account. Then you're going to be giving me your date of birth and the username you want to use. Although that's not even necessary, you can change the username yourself. So that's basically what I'll be needing: your email and the password you want to use. And again, you can actually change the password again if after I have used it. I just want to use it to create the account for you. So I will be creating that account for you for just 1,000 naira only. Only 1,000 naira if you're in Nigeria. Then if you're not in Nigeria and you're in other countries that does not monetize TikTok, that means you're going to be paying me $1 only. So that's that about that. Now let me talk about content you can actually create on TikTok. The content that will really gain you followers within the space of few months. All right. Now, number one, although I'll be making another video, I'll be picking this content one by one. I'll be showing you how you can actually make this content, but I just want to brush through everything. I have taken my time to figure out the content, and I'll be telling you. Number one is you post get ready with me videos. Actually, if you know how to do software editing, you can actually do some get ready with me videos. So G is actually one of the videos you can actually post on TikTok, and it will give you organic followers. Like, you don't have to stress about getting followers when you get ready with me. Then the next one is cooking blogs, like cooking videos or personal vlogs. The third one is you react to videos. Now you see that TikTok account that I created, that my own account that I created, that I gained 15,000 plus followers. You see those contents, they are not my content. What I just do is that I pick content, I re-edit it, I rebrand it, I change the hue, the color, whatever. I just manipulate those videos and I'll post it as my content. Now, any content that I pick, that I manipulate, is no longer another person's content. It is now my content. I can just like rebrand it, change the color, change the texture, change the sound and everything, and it will be my content. I'll react to it. So you can actually react to content. Now I'll be doing another video as regarding how to react to content, to other people's content. Okay, so you can react to videos, especially those production videos, you know, how to those DIYs, how to do this, how to do that. So you can just react to it. You can just, if you like, you can just put your voice, do a voiceover relating to that, and that's it. So another one is another video you can push out there that can really get you followers on TikTok, or if you're into production, fashion design, whatever, any kind of production, process videos also will help you gain massive followers. Okay, so you do process videos. Come with me, how to do this, how to make this, how to make pounded yam, how to sew, how to this, that. So process videos also goes a long way. Then the other one is daily prayers, like prayer videos. Now I just opened another TikTok page basically for prayer videos. So I share prayer videos, motivational speech, motivational videos and all that. So if you have seen videos like this, all these kinds of videos, those are prayer videos. So, and motivational videos as well. Just like ChatGPT, CapCut can do all of that for you. Canva, if you know how to use Canva, if you know how to use ChatGPT, if you know how to use CapCut, you see those 3 apps that I've just mentioned, you can actually put them together to create your daily prayers, and you post every day, and that's it. That's all the content you can actually, that's the ones that are on my page, and so many other ones. You just have to be creative and all of that. So those are the content you can actually post on TikTok that will gain you followers within the space of few months. Now, last but not the least, I cannot overemphasize this. If you must grow your page to that milestone within the space of few months, you must be consistent. Like, consistency is one of the key things that helped me to be able to grow my page I was posting twice every single day. And it was not that I was actually posting every day. I scheduled my content. So I can schedule 30 days content. Yes, that's how I did it. So I scheduled my posts for the next 30 days. So I don't have to wake up every morning thinking of what to post. I made all my posts available for 30 days and I scheduled them for the next 30 days on TikTok. So I will also be making another video on how you can actually schedule your post on TikTok. Okay, so I'll be bringing out this video one by one, and I'll be dropping it. So you have to stay tuned. Make sure you are subscribing to this YouTube channel so that you can actually get all the necessary information that you need. All right, so if you are interested, if you want me to create your TikTok account for you for just 1,000 naira, click the link in the description. It will take you straight to my WhatsApp DM. Send a DM for me. Send me a DM and your details, and I will be creating it for you as soon as possible. All right. So, having said all that, we have come to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Till I see you again in my next video. All right, guys. Bye, guys. Bye.